Hi, superstars. It's time for math, and we are on lesson 14 5 hexagons. You will learn about hexagons today. So, you've already learned about rectangles, squares, circles, and triangles. We're going to draw what we already learned. So, you learned about triangles, you learned about circles. You learned about squares. And what's the last one? Or not the last one, but one of the ones you learned about. Rectangles. Okay. So how many sides does a triangle have again? 1, 2, 3. How many sides does a square have? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides does a circle have? Doesn't have sides, remember, it's round. How about a rectangle? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you know how many sides these shapes have and corners. So a triangle has 3 sides and how many corners? 3 corners. How about a square? 4 corners, and a rectangle? 4 corners. Does a circle have any corners? No, it doesn't. Okay, so today you're going to learn a new shape. It's called a hexagon. So let's count how many sides a hexagon has. Let's start up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. How many corners do you think a hexagon has? Let's check and see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 corners. So it has 6 sides and 6 corners. Good job. So right here, this is a hexagon art gallery, and they need new pieces of art. Only art with hexagons can be put in this gallery. So how can you make new pieces of art for the gallery? Maybe you could make a hexagon shape and it could be a frame for a picture. So what you can do, try to draw a hexagon and this could be a frame for a picture. So I'm going to draw a picture here. It's going to be of a flower, and you can draw anything you want. So this is a hexagon piece of art because the frame is shaped like a hexagon. All right, so you can draw all different things if you want, but make sure they are all hexagon shapes. Let's look over here. What do you see over here? What shape is being traced? A hexagon, correct. So do you remember how many sides a hexagon has? That's right, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many corners? Yes, 6 corners. 6 corners and 6 sides. Let's look over here. Look at this bee. What do you see over here? Well, it's a honeycomb. What shape is the honeycomb? They're hexagons. How are a circle and a hexagon different? Well, we see that a hexagon has how many sides? 6. And how many corners? 6. Does a circle have sides or corners? No, a circle doesn't. No sides, it's round. Let's look at this picture here. What shape is this picture frame? It could be a picture frame or a window, actually. It looks like the little boy, it's either a picture of a boy or it's a window that he's looking through. What shape is it? A hexagon. So, how are a triangle and a hexagon different? How many sides does a triangle have? 3. And how many sides does a hexagon have? 6. How about the corners? A hexagon has 6 corners, and a triangle has how many corners? Do you remember? 3. Good job. All right, let's look in the last picture here. What do you think this is? This is called a nut. A nut. It's a tool. It's not a tool, but it's something that they use when they're putting things together. What shape is the nut? It is a hexagon. So how are a square and a hexagon different? How many sides does a square have? 4. And how many corners? 4. Good job. How many sides does a hexagon have again? 6 sides and 6 corners. Good job, superstars. You are so smart. Okay, let's look over here. I bet you can guess what you are going to do. You are going to color the hexagons that you find. Only the hexagons. Make sure you're counting the sides. You're looking for how many sides? 6 sides. So make sure you count the sides of these shapes, okay? And what do you think you're going to do on number 5? You're going to circle the objects that are the shape of a hexagon. Good job, superstars. Until next time, I want you to have a super, super duper wonderful day. Bye.